10 Rules of Good Health, a comprehensive guide to achieving optimal well-being. In this insightful video, we delve into the 10 essential rules of good health that can transform your life and empower you to achieve optimal well-being. With expert guidance and practical tips, you'll learn how to make informed choices that promote a healthier lifestyle. 1. Eat a balanced diet. Discover the importance of nourishing your body with a well-rounded diet. Explore the benefits of incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. We'll provide you with valuable insights on limiting processed foods, sugary snacks, and saturated fats to support your overall health. 2. Stay hydrated. Learn about the significance of hydration and how water plays a vital role in maintaining proper bodily functions. Uncover the benefits of drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day and its positive impact on your energy levels, digestion, and overall well-being. 3. Exercise regularly. Discover the transformative power of physical activity. We'll guide you through the importance of engaging in regular exercise for at least 30 minutes most days of the week. From walking and jogging to cycling and swimming, we'll explore various activities that suit your preferences and help you stay active. 4. Get enough sleep. Unlock the secrets of quality sleep and its profound impact on your physical and mental health. Explore the optimal duration of sleep, the importance of establishing a consistent sleep routine, and effective strategies for improving your sleep quality. 5. Manage stress. Discover the detrimental effects of chronic stress on your well-being and learn practical techniques for managing and reducing stress levels. From mindfulness practices to deep breathing exercises, you'll gain valuable tools to incorporate into your daily life to promote inner peace and resilience. 6. Avoid tobacco and limit alcohol consumption. Understand the damaging effects of tobacco and secondhand smoke on your health and learn how to quit smoking for good. Additionally, explore the guidelines for responsible alcohol consumption and the potential risks associated with excessive drinking. 7. Practice good hygiene. Discover the significance of maintaining good hygiene habits to protect yourself and others from infections and diseases. Learn about proper hand-washing techniques, the importance of regular dental care, and other personal cleanliness practices that contribute to your overall well-being. 8. Regular health checkups. Understand the importance of routine health checkups and preventive care. We'll discuss the benefits of regular visits to your healthcare provider for monitoring your health, identifying potential issues early on, and receiving appropriate medical guidance. 9. Maintain a healthy weight. Explore the impact of maintaining a healthy weight on your overall well-being. Learn practical tips for achieving and sustaining a healthy weight through a combination of balanced eating, regular exercise, and portion control. 10. Nurture relationships. Uncover the profound influence of social connections on your mental and emotional well-being. We'll discuss the importance of cultivating healthy relationships with family, friends, and your community, and provide practical strategies for fostering meaningful connections. Embark on a transformative journey towards a healthier and happier you by following these 10 essential rules of good health. Join us in this video as we empower you with knowledge, expert advice, and actionable tips to live your best life and achieve optimal well-being. Remember, always consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice based on your specific needs and medical history. For more video like this, kindly subscribe the channel.